When the man again taking a quamo, unachete video listeners.
On duty, and it's a night duty, and I can't believe in a hospital like this there's no water, there's no light. Everywhere is littered, there's no cleaner to clean the place. Like, I'm talking about mosquitoes. The mosquitoes that are here, massive mosquitoes, and it's not good. I don't know what the government are doing about it. They are building
no.
Please, there is a woman in labor, like currently in labor.
And there's no light.
And there is no light.
Like, so what if there's complication? What do we do? Or you get her incubator? I don't understand. It's very poor of a general hospital.
No oxygen,
like there's no oxygen. There's no light to even give birth to a child.
Let's just say oxygen. This is a secondary thing, but at least the primary things that a hospital is supposed to have.
Water.
They don't have it. No water.
No water.
No good environment.
No cleaners to clean. That's poor. I mean, I see government. How you guys helping us?
Guys, look around.
There's no light.
Everywhere is dark.
And I heard a snake. Oh God.
They don't fumigate here. Nothing. Mosquitoes.
See, everywhere is very.
This is not even conducive
for human beings.
To do anything.
One
health center. Enugu.
Somewhere like here has been sleeping. Like if the rain falls.
Women used to fall here.
Yeah, which exactly place?
This place around.
Yes, now
so just look at this.
The floor is muddy now.
Okay,
these are neighbors, so they have lights, but a whole hospital, a whole government hospital, no lights. How? So think that there are patients here.
Pregnant
women here in labor, no light.
No, sir, no, I send a boy video. Thank you for watching. I send boy that video. That's na baby and all. So somebody will do me underground investigation.
Okay. After our exams, we're supposed to go for our second clinicals, which is supposed to be in a general hospital or health center. So they referred us to the Uwani General Hospital. So the first day we came to work on a Monday, the crowd was too much. So the matron on duty said we should get a roster for our duty, so we'll know the days will come, the days will not come. So after the roster, I have duty on Friday, and which is a night duty. So I came to work around 6-7, getting to the place. So we're just having a normal conversation with the security there. So he said, I don't ask him, so there's no light in this hospital. He said there's no lights for months. They've not been light, that they are only NEPA 700,000 and they've not fixed it. There's no water. The mosquitoes there are very massive. The structures are very poor. So he was like, who can summon courage to go online and make a video and snap the environment and share to the world? So me and my colleagues were like, okay, we can do it. So I made a video with my colleagues. We did the video and I went home. Going home, I now posted on my TikTok. I never knew it was going to go viral. And I was never doing, it was not my intention to do it to bring somebody down, both the institution and the government. I never did that. So when I started having calls from the government, people calling to get...
somebody from the government called?
Yes.
Okay.
Saying they should get the video down and all of that. I never did.
The person that called, did he or she tell you his or her position?
Yes, he said he's a PA to the media.
A PA
to the media.
To the media. That was what he said.
That was what he said.
Okay.
So he said I should take it down and test him on WhatsApp, and I never did.
Okay.
So he called and called and called. I didn't take his calls.
Okay.
So the next day, which is on Monday, the school called to our attention that he wants to see all of us, the student that did the video and both our classmates. So we all went to the school. Getting there, the lady said I should tell her my own side of the story, admin. So I told her, and she said, on getting to the place I was explaining of the pulling down of the video, she asked me, did I pull it down? I said, no, ma. She said, like, why didn't I pull it down? I said, it has gone viral. Me pulling it down is putting myself in a compromising situation. I could not do that. She said that she must take me to my house and I will definitely put the video down. I said, okay, no problem. Then on doing the whole thing, we didn't go again. And she now said she's going to give us, the three of us, indefinite suspension.
And now, women, I'm going to highlight you with a video that is not well balanced. A regime investigation or bonat na opposite the girl that she must delete the video. and also making a tender apology. And ekwugasi ihe bụ na ihe a bụ ihe mere eme. So does it mean that na somebody na pressure this girl kwugasi ihe okwu? Does it mean na government na-eweta ego una na-ele eji were ọnọgwụ? Why are people playing politics with people's life? Kwa maka na unu nwere opportunity banye dị unu werezi ndụ ndị mmadụ na-atụ mgbele. So mmadụ pụtazi ekwu eziokwu, unu pụtasị na emegasị na eziokwu okwu na okwutere. Achọrọ m ka unu gee ntị na this video. This is a 1-hour video. It is a voice recording from the hospital management. Somebody record her. Somebody here underground will record their conversation. It have an eye opener for everybody. Going away for how the system had to go so corrupt to the lowest part of it. To the lowest, only open a corruption in favor of where financial breakthrough. So in this video, be paying attention because I want to make sure I keep saying, "Only keep it target." Call the one numbers on the buy.
Tell them, go to the gates. Call the security for me. Okay. Has he received his letter? No, he just waiting for. Ask him to wait until he gets his letter.
Okay.
Introduce your name.
My name
Introduce yourself.
is Enugu. So I was one of the students that was on night duty that day. We came to work and unfortunately there was a woman in labor. So we are trying to help her with the work that night. And then we noticed that there was no light. There was no place to use the restroom. And that evening, we were outside with the chief security because the man was there with us that evening. So the man was like, we are not asking the man what happened, like there's no light in this hospital. He said that there's no light for long and that they said they are only NEPA 700,000 and since that time they've not had light. And I was like, so how do you guys do the whole hospital thing when there's no lights and all that thing? He said that during the other time that Rubinu's wife came for flagging and flag out and promised that there going to be light and water. But unfortunately up to now the whole promises were gone. So it was like if there's a way that we can reach out to the government and at least share it out.
Who said
the chief security.
Chief security?
Yes, working
You heard what he
there.
said?
He said you can reach out to the government and at least say it and show them and post that people are doing it. Yes.
When we finish now, all of us will go to the hospital. Let's make the lecture. And this the chief security asked us to make it.
Yeah, so we should do the video and post it so that the government can see it and come for their aid. So then after the whole thing, we decided to do the video. So one of our colleagues was the one doing the video and I was the one talking in the video. So I was telling them that there's, in a hospital like this, there's no water, there's no light. The environment, they say they don't have cleaner. The chief security was also telling us that they don't have cleaners in the hospital. So that we should, I was not telling I was just making the video online that there's no toilet, there's no place to use the restroom and everywhere is littered, there's no cleaners. And the government should look out on that. That was the only video we made and I personally posted it online, and I didn't know it was going to go viral like that. So when I posted it, people were coming on my DM. So one lady, Rita Mba, tested me on my TikTok that she wants to have my number and call me about it. So I sent my number to her. She called me immediately. She said, am I still at the hospital? I said, no ma, I'm not on duty again. So she said that please, she's going to send me 400,000, that I should go back to the hospital and take the woman out from that hospital and take her to Niger Foundation. So I now said, okay, no problem. So that was on Friday, on Saturday evening, around after 11 p.m. So I now told her, she was not asking me, how will you get to the hospital? I said, okay, I will drive and go. She said, okay, since you are mobile, drive and go to the hospital. I took my sister, my junior sister, to the hospital. We went there. Unfortunately, getting there, the woman has put to bed. She called me video call. She now said, so why am I taking false news? And I said, ma, I was not taking any false news. This woman was in labor when I left for duty because I was not on duty. So when I came back, she has betted. She now said, okay, that I should fund her the 400,000, but meanwhile, I should take 50K from the money and give the woman 50K. So the woman's sister now said that they've not paid the hospital bill. She now said, okay, give her 100. She now spoke with the sister. Say, give her 100, then take 50K for the hospital. So I now sent the woman 100,000 from the money. I now told her that, sorry, that I don't need the 50K. I'm going to still return it back because it's not the money that I want. What I want is for them to fix the place. She now said, okay, she now sent her account number. I sent her the money, 300. I said I first sent her 250, then sent her 50K, and I blocked her on my WhatsApp. So she now sent me a personal message, and she was telling me that she's not giving me the 50K for bribe to take the video down. That she's giving me the 50K for the hospitality, for me to take my time and the risk I took to go back to the hospital. That's why she's giving me the 50K. And that she's in Abuja, she's going to come to Enugu soon. That once she comes to Enugu, she'll come and see the woman that vetted and see the environment that I was complaining about. And I said, I didn't answer, I just left the message like that. Then one other man texted me saying that it's the PA media to Pitamba. He now said, please, I want to get the complaint and tell me everything that happened. I said, okay. So he called me too. I was telling me to take the video down. Yeah, once I take the video down, that I should test him on WhatsApp. I should private test him on WhatsApp. And I said, okay, no problem. I stopped answering him. I was not talking to him again.
Did you take the video down?
I did not.
So upon they are calling you, telling you to take the video down.
Ma, the video has gone viral when they told me.
They were telling you to take it down. Yes. Are you getting what you're saying? People in government is telling her to take it down. Yes. Have you taken the video down now?
No, ma.
Why?
The thing has gone viral. And now they are saying if I take it down, they'll still drag me. That either the government...
You must take it down. You know what I told you? You must, and if you don't do it, I'll be invested. Because you tell them the person that sent you. The more they are dragging you, the more they are coming to us. That is why I say I don't know their issue. Because the more they are dragging you, they are not the only school there. I even saw this language. The more they are dragging her, the more they are dragging us. You know what I told you? And you will do it now, whatever you need to take. Let's go, you take it. Did you hear me? I said, let's take it down now. Come whenever you come. Bring it down.
Ma, the phone is at home. That's my personal TikTok, and I don't go out with the phone. So if I get home, I will take it down.
Come, my brother.
I will take it down. So
don't worry, you will go now. It's okay.
So you're not saying that a lot of bloggers have posted it. Even
that one is not your business. Take it down, please.
That if I take it down, they will say that either they will bribe me or something like that.
I said, take it down. Next time, if you want to do it, go and do it in your mother's house. Are you getting me? After you are leaving this school, you can continue any other place. I don't care.
We are giving you indefinite suspension. You are leaving our school. Did you hear me? So you can continue with it. I don't care. But you see this one you took in the name of prison. You must bring it down.
Do you mean that the special here or the chief security, they are the ones that are supposed to make that video?
Don't worry. We are going there. How many distance guys?
What patients being facing me?
Where are we going to meet the meeting? Come on, if she's in the office now, all of us will go. We'll go and meet the chief security. And we'll go to her house and take it out. Call driver. Where is the Sienna?
Yeah, I think we'll go.
Call her, pretend that I want us to go with Sienna. Sienna, I see a flame Sienna. Can you remove?
When she called me this morning, so I asked her how things are on her own end. She said for now that there's nothing happening.
Call her.
But obviously they can't come here for their posting for now. And she said at the cost of trying to resolve this thing, that because that day is their first day of closing. So she said she has to say, she has to tell them that she didn't realize first why, because that is their first day. So no, she know like when people start, because they were supposed to do their shift and then shift and then they start. So she said she didn't even realize that they started already that day. So that she had to say that those people were like that they were problem people that have done those things before. That the reason why she has to say because they will start giving where is the school, where is the place. So that's the information that she gave me, that she just told me the story. And the reason why she did it is because that's not the first time I'm sending students to her, or the first time I'm sending students to
Call the woman.
them. So that is what she said, that she didn't admit no current students. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I'm with our patient. I'm with our patient. Want to speak with you.
Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am. Okay. Good afternoon. The administrator of presentation for the process. The report just came to me from my admin in the other health center. Please, I am so sorry. Presently, I'm with the students now. We want to come down to that place. Let's talk in a round table. Because number one, as she was saying that, she said that it's one of the security that asked her to upload the video. The chief security. They are both of them in the mix. So she said that it's one of the chief security that asked her to make that video. Okay, ma, can you hear me now? Okay, also now, the student that did that video is sitting right now with me. According to interview, she said that it's one of the chief security that asked her to make that video. And she sent the video, and some people have been calling her. Even somebody has even given her money to go and give that woman and take her from the hospital out. Who she gave the woman in question 100,000. I don't know the woman that she used in making the video. Just I just want to tell you how far. She even said that somebody even called her from Abuja and asked her to take it down. And she has not taken it down. So we are coming down to meet that chief security. Let's be sure, because I don't know how it will come back to us tomorrow. And I'm taking her to her house. She's going to bring it down. She that sent it has been communicating with the people that are interviewing her. And she has been communicating with them days as she sent it on the I'm telling you. I don't know. She said one woman sent her 400,000 from Abuja.
Ritamba.
Ritamba sister sent her 400 to Abuja in her account. she should give the woman, she should give, in fact, now are you in the office? Okay, let me tell you, you have to sit tight. Are you getting me? She said Pitamba sister from Abuja. Hello? I'm telling you. Can you hear me? She said somebody sent her 400,000 from Abuja. That the person that sent her that 400,000 based on the distance she said was Pitamba sister, Pitamba, to give to the woman. Yes, who is in labor. Yes, who is in labor. And she has given the woman 100,000 after she was ready to take the woman out from the hospital. Before getting to that place, the woman has put to labor.
Through CS.
Through CS. And the woman and the Pitamba sister started asking her, why are you lying? She said she was not lying. That she was not lying, that what she said was the truth. And Pitamba asked her to give the woman 50,000 and return back the money. That she let her give the woman 100,000, she has returned back the money. Another person called her again. Another man.
The media to Pitamba.
Yes, media to Pitamba.
PA to the media.
PA to the media. I know, what did you tell them you are? When they asked you, what did you tell them you are?
I said we came for posting. I'm a
She
student.
said she told them that they came for posting.
I'm a student.
That
We
she's
came
a
for
student.
posting. But they didn't really ask more about that.
I don't know.
Did they ask you any other
He
question?
didn't really go in detail. What you were really saying, he didn't ask much. What he was just saying is that,
Was just talking about
just put it down and text me on WhatsApp. That was the only thing the man was
Okay.
saying. Then he started calling me and calling me. I don't answer anything.
Hello, Emna. Hello, in your name.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Can you check to a better that case this girl said? You can do now, say. A man should know I can't do it now. I'm saying. A man and do better and make it again. They were here. So it's only both of you that did this. Is the other people included?
The girl, the slim girl that was holding the video. The slim girl that was the media, the one that was holding the phone, the first one I attended to, I mean, 3 of us.
3 of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Did this. That you are the person that sent it.
It's my page, yes, ma'am.
You sent it to your page.
It was in my phone.
You're the only person that posted this.
I just want to see her. Let's know how to go about it before it's too late. Before it's too late. One thing is that I want her to take it down. I am not supporting it. Is she hearing me?
Yes, I mean, she said she's not. She's expressing that we are not in support.
You are not in support of it. Also, near the motor where Japan coming to the motor. Like I'm in Japan. I see her now. Yes. Oh, you're a senior. I'm passing in at that. Everybody, yeah?
I'm gonna be a rapper. I also want to come. It's not that bad, not that.
Did she know the type of food that come her? They are doing investigation. The only thing is for her to be tight and know when they came to her. Because the people that are supposed to hear it have heard it.
She said that. The reason why
Wait. Hello? Hello, ma. Please, I am not with her. I am against her. The way you are panicking, that's why I'm panicking. You know one thing? These people are not the first people we have been sending for posting. And we have never gotten this type of problem. Even as I'm telling you now, this student, we are going to expel her from our school. I know. Mommy, let me tell you what. Do you know one thing? My problem now is that they say PA today, this was even telling this girl to bring it down, she refused. That the PA to who?
Media,
social media was even telling her to bring it down, she refused. What are you getting out of it? You know? I can't hear her again. What are you getting out of it? What do you want to get out of it?
man, nothing. The time you called me, that thing.
I said, what did you want to get out of it?
Nothing.
And we are telling you now to bring it down. You say you have your phone at home.
My personal phone is at home. That's where I do my TikTok. I don't take it out.
That's where you do your TikTok, bro. Okay. Let's the driver come. See, this lady. Now, we never did the same for us. Are you getting me? All my people. All the that is where we are starting. All the two. Other ones are tempted. They are not included. They should go. Remember something she said? She said you didn't take it to the right channel. They are coming same as if it's backyard business. That is actually. Their government did not even know. But if this student has come as a student in the right way, that she won't have problem. But now she has been implicated. Because even they are coming, they did not come in the way they're supposed to come. Are you getting the two things now? Hello? Good afternoon. You cannot see me, I've been very busy. And when you was in a form of room, you will send them any other thing. Or you meet a bossa. Go and meet bossa. Just because you are not those things. You should check it very well, yes. Give her your letter heading. Give her your letter I want to bring you down here. How do you change? Serious misconduct is not being used because established that a lawful game access to female husband being advanced in advanced area and acts which constitute a grave violation of the instruction rules and regulation. This thereon is direct violation of the provision online on the student handbook. Bring it and put it. Bring it and put it. She doesn't have it. School student handbook and the hostel room. Go and collect it from him, sister. Put it here, where it is. And then your admission. You are doing your admission by the yes. within the severity of this location for the safety and return on the investigation. Management has support that we will reflect on the immediate effect. You are hereby aware to the case of school policies and physical promotion at the distribution is going for the health.
The guy and the girl.
The guy and the girl, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Of course, you go to that district, the responsibility.
Both is okay. Call home sister so that he will give you all that are behind you.
Just send it to me on WhatsApp.
Do you have your WhatsApp?
Yes.
Please give him the school letter. Let him write. Our own is immediately suspension. So I will carry the investigation so that anytime, anything that come out of it, if it warrants dragging out the court of police, she will involve. So that is what is happening. She and her second. Immediately on her own, immediately. Police case, she can come at any time to answer her phone. When is she finishing? They still have how many minutes?
So they still have over 10 months.
She still has time. She can do some other things in the Who was the person that was badmouthing both the staff and the business?
Okay, no, there's one.
She's not among them. She just said. Not the other one. They say they are friends. The other one that video. Ask her who is the person that took the lead among them.
One should never cross all the limits.
Oh, ma'am. Excuse me. Let all of them go there. And communicate a place in the place. Except those who
I don't need permission for what I want to do.
when you get to me,
All I need
I will get
is
you.
how the others points of view.
If they are supposed to finish in 5 minutes, if they are clinical distance, when you get to me, who is the person who can do the video? You made it finish, you have to post it.
Ma, what happened that day? She posted it on her WhatsApp, on her status. So we didn't know that people will pick it from her WhatsApp. No, I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
Did she tell you that she's in her WhatsApp? She posted it.
I viewed her status that night.
Did she tell you that she's in her WhatsApp?
She didn't tell me.
Then keep quiet. Because she didn't tell us WhatsApp. She said she sent it on Facebook,
TikTok.
on TikTok. And they pick it from there. It's TikTok the same with WhatsApp. She didn't know that people would pick it.
Where isn't it? Where isn't it? Isn't it? Julia.
Two of them will be giving this. Are you getting me? With their names. family people. The woman said it's real. They go to her house, she will bring it down. She will not bring me, let me know. My lawyer will help you. It's okay. Yes. We'll start from there. No, we will have.
Please, for videos, it's not intentional.
The next students where they go. Where would they go for their posting? Where will they go for their posting? So you know, your village people finish, you have seen all of them are there. The parents are too big like that. Why can't you innovate it? You are putting it on social media. Since you have that type of big house. Where are your fellow students going for their posting now? They will never accept our school again. Who gets fences? Okay. You want to attend them? Felicity, are they done? Ask them to bring it to next week. It is so to sign it.
Following my 2 weeks suspension due to my absenteeism from the college, lied to the school and my sponsor about my whereabouts. I sincerely apologize for my actions that led to this disciplinary measure. I understand that regular attendance is very important in my training as a nursing student, and I take full responsibility for my actions during that period. I promise to abide by the rules and regulations of the institution and maintain good behavior throughout my stay. This action won't repeat itself, and if it does, the institution is free to take its disciplinary measure on me. I also wish to say that Mr. Amusa Ihaj is my sponsor, and he is to take full responsibility in my academic pursuits. I am committed to improving my conduct and focusing on my academic and professional development. I kindly appeal for your understanding and assure you that I will make better use of this opportunity moving forward. Thank you for your consideration. Respectfully, Jackson.
The next place is called
brother.
who is signing the name of the brother? Today's date is called
30th March. Oh my God.
Hello? Good afternoon. They're from photocopy of the Macquarie. Yeah, fine. Check in there. I know. My uncle said go there. Quem que melhor tu quer que essa não vou ouvir. Mani dá só do Okay, I believe that now. Do you understand?
Write my word down today.
Amen. See, as you see, I stay here.
Police, I don't write them.
Write them down.
I will not write down. See, as you see me here.
Today is 30th
March. As it's because of this issue, that is why I stay this day. Many of them.
Mommy, because of this issue, I made a statement to you that day that I cannot work, I cannot eat. Yes. As I did like this, I was slim down.
Make she see the person where love her. How this small girl and he love you like this? I said, I carry my eyes see the person where this man they die for like this. You are very lucky somebody love you. The man say, the way he stands, that is all of us we are saying. Say, God help me. God, I say, with it, oh God, my dear. Yeah? The guy love you sincerely. And that is why they do shakara. You can't do shakara pass boundary. You understand? Any woman where man like, if they do shakara, they do stubborn. Do you understand? She has learned. See the way she has been taking you up and down, up and down. The way what she acted you on Friday, you know one thing, we want to know those who want to learn and those who don't want to learn. You know, some people, their parents brought them here by force. Some people go and do their the what she acted on Friday showed that really she wants to be here. Do you understand? Sometimes you would instead of here wasting your parents' money, why can't you go? Giving us money at the end of the day, you not see why you are invested. That's how we do it here. So sometimes I use this to tell people that want to learn. They want to go to I brought one boy here with their hair now. I use scissors and cuts and he said, don't you see the boy that came out? No, we are sitting down here now. That boy that I came, you know, she said they come to here. I use scissors and cuts, he said. I see them wearing the, I'll say, they will say no. But today I'm not in the mood to tell him. I use scissors, he sat down and cut his head. They don't like entering this my office. Anybody why I call here, mind go wrong. They like enter here. See and they laugh. If you just hear admin, they call you. You understand? Just say God, have mercy upon me.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I told you to smart students. They are wearing their white today. What are you people doing? We are less busy. What about our kids?
Okay. Okay, ma, there's one that you was going to send. I don't know if that's me. I asked him to come and show you. There's one with design.
I'm not talking of design. Send students, the students that we are going to use, you wear their white with their mantle, and that's what I told you. And I told you all those ones with yellow will not take it. We are talking of flesh. We are not talking of flesh, we are not talking of cash. And let me tell you, call the other nurses for me. Let me talk to them. You will wait outside. You are taking decision. Wait outside. You are ready to do. Come, let me tell you.
Kevin, I guess I'm listening for message. She's drafting
The girl of course is going.
You snap them different now. Let me check. You understand? You saw the one they threw their car. But that red they are wearing is not what they're supposed to wear. That yellow. We did the last one with the betting. They are wearing white. I was expecting today they wear white. You bring some of the students and then we have their pictures. Do you understand? You saw sample of that thing. You see the one they will throw their car. You see the one they will do. You see the one they will wear their thing. Do you understand? Fold papers. Give them, they will hold it. Snap different ones. Some ones, all of them can back themselves. Do you understand? All of them can back them. There's picture they snap as they went to game. This man, this thing. You come in, I want to address you quickly. You will tell CEO to get her own picture. What did they do on this? So, madam, welcome. You're the manager. All of you are students. 1, 2, 3, we'll be going for immediate suspension. You get it? You guys now have no place to continue your posting. Is it not true? Did you see the implication? You understand? understand? Because after none of you will come back. My afraid is not even you people about these students that are going for the community posting. They are going there too. And what about other people coming up? Because that road has been built. This land was there. This school did not start today. This school started before they give birth to some of us and even give birth. And people has been coming. Everybody has been saying it. Who has never been in government property? Go to UNTH, go to Parkland. Everybody has been there. Then she wanted to use it to do her gaming, contest gaming. We know what they are doing. Or to promote her TikTok. As she did it now, everybody was picking it. That is how her money is going. Unfortunately, she wants to use our school to create money. Because she would have walked to other hospitals and do that. But she hid under the umbrella of she's a student from Easy. You not seeing it? Just to bring the school down. Content creators, they move around. Do you understand? She would have even go and see things that are worse than this one she sent. But she didn't. She pretended under the umbrella that she's a student. In the video, this one that is snapping mosquito, I saw some people wearing that they were sleeping. You were the person laughing. All of you were laughing. You people are the only people that see mosquito, but they were sleeping peacefully. Are we born and brought up from outside country? All of us are the Nigerians. If I want to go to your house one by one, I will even enter the place that place that you will video is even more work, better than your house 100 food. Even her that's dressed very well, but I will still find out her house. The punishment we give some of our students is to go to hospital and serve, because we know that that place is not a better place. These ladies, okay, I said she's supposed to. These ladies are going for 2 months suspension. If you see they come back, they will go for hospital punishment. Call this person to put it down for me. They'll go for hospital punishment, orthopedic. And they will go. Full on. Take care of them. Are you getting me? I was still out back. Is this the first student you sent to that place? There's some certain things that people do in that school. And we have time because I'm always busy. People see that school as the person that have that school is not in his hand. Put down these students that are going for this thing today. When they come back, they will go for hospital and punishment. These 3 students. The only person who will not give this letter is Jessica. Because she was the person that came out of the bed. She will be exempted. As others, they could. And before they will go, I want to call the security to see them. None of them will cross here with their parents until they stay for that 2 months. Call security, any security, they let them come. None of them will enter this school compound. Until they are done with their parents. My prayer is that they should even repeat one way. After the question, when the promises. And then we say that person, that person, that person. Because you people don't know the implication, everybody does. And everybody is doing is letting see something they used to create. Yeah. Agunwakatel has never went to the hospitals. You people know her. They know who know her. I know they are following her. Now that you go to the streets and bring somebody who is blind and ask the world to make that person, you have to go and promote government. You don't fight government. You understand? You don't fight government. If she wants to help you for help for that woman, she will tell the woman, now please, people please help me to my people. She doesn't have money, that is what they do. People will start sending money to her. But not to go and cajole government for that. Everything in government, everybody says that they jump and pass. Hello? Hello? Hello, I can hear you. Who is that? Who am I talking with? Valentine. Okay, I'm busy, my dear. Okay. I'll get back to you. Do you understand? Because only me you see around. The moment you bend down, you're putting on someone's hand, your own is open now. The first people that have finished the punishment now is you and me. We are all rejected. And she should start getting more money because she's a brave girl. Is it not true? You people are going back to your houses and wait. Did you have any place to take them now? Because people don't even know the gravity of the offense. You were all rejected. And you can't go back there. And we don't have that time now because we are very busy. Both the graduating students and the exam that we're going to set for those who are getting scholarships. Yes, mommy. These students, before they will go, why are you calling her? It's always on the gate. You should report security to Naboya. Oh, well, some students, these students across the gate, I told any of them that this gate to their parents. Okay. You don't have your hand on my gate to Bob. So I want all of you to see those students. In case any of them parents are already about who name the person in gate, ask them where are they going and why, who are they looking for. Okay. I show my head. Hello? Yes, I'm very busy. See, let me tell you people, if it is because of that case that any of you are coming to my office, don't cross my office and don't make me annoyed. See, I am telling you people, any of you that enter this office and raise that case, me and you, that person will have problem. I don't need anybody's permission, please. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Those students now outside there, watch them.
Okay.
Any of them here open days, any of you know on duty, and they enter here with their parents, that person will go for suspension.
Yes,
and they might get suspension though. It will affect your salary.
I'm not going
Let them go. Please, you just go and take the students. Go and take them, we don't have time. They'll be going for Easter break now. This week, all of them will go for 1 week Easter break. They will resume on 10th and start their exam. They'll be very busy. From that exam, they'll enter the matriculation date. Okay. I'm done with it. So you are getting me. This their game now. This their life now. If you are supposed to come out in 10 months now, you are adding extra months because we don't even know when you start. Did you know what it takes us to get where people go for posting? Did you know that we normally pay? Like this student's own. We pay a back lane about 4 million. Not all hospitals accept student discipline because of all this. That is why. She was telling me now that her annoyance was that they did not do it in a due process. And people are not supposed to. There's many things that your admin is supposed to have done, which she didn't do. And she was doing it to help people.
Yes, so she said they started Yanabo agency, but because we've been bringing students, that she will allow them to come. That there's something going on, just that they don't listen to her officially. Money we actually be Yanabo, and the agency actually pay anything about posting, you now have to go through that.
We are paying. We pay. Sign a memorandum of understanding because of the
you have to go through. Yeah,
you put sign memorandum of understanding, and this is it now. If they pick somebody in get off, you understand, they can see the person. So you guys have to go back home. Everything is not for joke. Everything is not TikTok. Everything is not social media. They are on their indefinite suspension. To be very, very careful. That school don't just grow. Are you getting me? That school don't just grow. Oh, that's the only thing we are managing. So, okay, this one is very big. That is why I'm always missing. The main problem is I'm telling you, bring them here. I'll make up time to go. All of you I wanted to use suspend. We've said it this, but she made it. That even though the whole set that I involved is all of them part. That is why I want to do. That one, that is only 3 of them. So as a photographer. So that is it. I'm so sorry. I'm saying I don't want to pay to go back. You go back to your houses. I'm doing your posting. How many months? How many weeks?
Okay, they're supposed to do posting.
Let them do it in their houses. Yes. You don't want to posting in their houses. Or you can check the clothes and they accept you. Some others you go on your own and look for. You write to them, they'll do. If you have any place that will accept you. Are you getting me? Did you hear me? Then she can go out and look for any people that will accept her to come, so on and so forth. Please don't make up for all of us. We are very sorry. We don't know that this thing will escalate to this one. It's unfortunate. I was there when the whole thing started. In fact, everything is just. They are true. Her heart is too kind. But I still know there's some people who don't eat around her areas. She has a very big heart. But I know that even though I go to the family, to her family now, there's some people who are looking for food that will help them. All no people, Magaman Kahana Bajemo. I still everything. The video is in my phone now. I still everything. She wants to make us it's not in this thing of ours. Because now nobody understands. Nobody apologize today. Hospital. No, I can't. We can't do that. We are talking about coming home. Can we? People are not going. Human is a company. According to her, the one that have interest in it, human is panicking. And I don't want you to go there. Because the more you go, the people that don't bring you will start coming. Are you getting me? This time it's difficult. When the process started now, she's safety and be able to let her find any place that will accept you to find her. Are they doing set? Their next set is
okay, the next set is going to Royal.
Have they started?
They've not started yet. They've not even started the exam. So after their exam.
As they are, they are just their sets. They are just sets.
They are set and the sets that are supposed to write the exam.
But here they go over here about 2026 sets. They are just sets.
Okay, no. They have about 2025
Okay, 2025
and the 2025 they changed the exam to prepare for their 6 months. So they are currently on break.
Did you have a place they will go?
That they're supposed to go. Okay, how we used to do that? Their 6 months. You know, for 6 months we used to do them. They will do hospitalized. They will now put them to
So can you now?
How kind of break? How we say about that break before her got posted and
so
so now they use time and they were in the clinical.
So this one is
okay, we know we carry that graduate but on the 17th of this month okay, how long they will give us
see this side. There is the extra 1 minute before you put the first. Before you put Do you hear me?
Ma, can I say something? Okay. I want to apologize for what happened. The sole aim of making that video wasn't to put our school at risk. Basically, I didn't have it in mind.
We are so sorry. Then people started something, they don't know how it will end. I know it's